Hi guys, it's yours truly. So, you click this video for two main reasons. Number one, you wanted to help a friend, a family member, a classmate, or a teacher, or someone that needs mental help. Second, you click this video because you wanted to grow as a person. You wanted to fix your life. You wanted to change your own path and create your dream life. Welcome to 3 Minute Rebuilding Your Life. First, when it comes to rebuilding your life, let your past emotions go. Let your past go and learn from it. You cannot change the past and you cannot change the future. But what's important right now is your present moment. Accept your past and learn from that. In that way, you can move on and continue with your life. If you hold that back and stick from yourself in a long period of time, you will not grow as a person. The next step when it comes to rebuilding your life is to set your goals, set your intention. What do you want this year? What do you want in the future? What do you want to be? What do you want to get? My recommendation for choosing your own goals is to choose only 2 goals max. Because if you choose way too many goals, you cannot know what you really want. You cannot defining what you want, and that will trigger you to become successful person. After you choose your goals, cut your toxic connections, toxic people, toxic job, toxic relationships, anything that keeps you triggered for the most of the time. Cut it out. Just go with the flow, happily, without anything disturbs you from doing what you want. So the next step when it comes to rebuilding your own life is to not just cut your toxic connections, but also cut your toxic habits, such as watching uncensored movies, drinking alcohol, thinking recklessly. Cut all of those within yourself. Whenever time you think of temptations or negative thoughts, give yourself a compliment like, I am not a smoker. And the last one for rebuilding your life is to practice your gratitude. Like, I am worthy, I am loved, I am me, I am unique. So that ends our video for today. Thanks for watching, and I really do hope that you rebuild and create your own dream life. Just forget your past and just go with the flow. And let me know on the comment section down below what are your goals that you wanted to achieve in life. If you wanted more positive mindset, positive affirmations, and ways to build a healthy lifestyle, I combine psychology, technology, and lifestyle to make your life easier and stress-free. So subscribe to my channel, John Mendoza, and thanks for watching, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. So see you on the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.